Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the problem which generally occurs whenever you try to increase the partition C size. And I'm also going to talk about the software which can be used to tackle this problem. So problem is that let me open the file explorer, and inside this let me go to this and choose the option to manage. So inside the disk management, you'll find all the partition of your hard drive. So basically there are two partitions in my hard drive, which is local disk C and D. So whenever I try to increase its volume, to extend its volume, then the button is gray out. And let me create a free space from this local disk D so that I can increase the local disk C. So I'm going to create the 97 gigs of the unallocated space. So it should show to increase the this partition volume, but still the problem is that it is still gray out. So how to solve this problem? So basically there is a software which can be used to solve this problem, and in a very simple manner. So for that you can use a software called MiniTool, which is basically for the partition disk management, and the software name is MiniTool Partition Wizard. So let me show you here. So this is the software named MiniTool Partition Wizard 12.8. So it comes with the improved interaction and user interface, so you can easily understand whatever the things which are given here. So I'm basically going to install the software, and let me show you here. So just go on home user, and you can download either Partition Wizard Pro or Partition Wizard Free. So basically the free version of the software contains the less number of features than the Pro software, so I recommend you to download the Pro version by paying the certain amount. So let me download the free Partition Wizard software. Just go on download, and this software is compatible for the early Windows platforms like 11, 10 and 7 or whatever you are using. So let me just double click on this, click on yes. So here we go. The installation process is pretty much simple. Go on OK, and you'll see all the features and benefits of the free version and the Pro edition. So basically you can do the disk management, partition management with the free version, and other different options like migrate OS, copy OS sticks, and other different options and features are available for the Pro edition. For now I'm going to choose the option to try Pro trial for free. Just click on next, and now you'll find a couple of more options here like MiniTool Partition Wizard Pro trial and MiniTool Shadow Maker free. So you can just uncheck this, or if you want to install this, and it is also okay. Just click on next. So it may take a while to install and download your MiniTool Partition Wizard software, so you need to have patience. So the installation time totally depends upon your network speed. So after the installation is done, you will see this MiniTool Partition Wizard application here. So you just need to open that application, click on yes. So here we go. You can see the only partition which has been created in your hard disk. So this is the local disk C, this is the D, and this is the unallocated space of 97 gigs which we created. And you can see this in the bottom. You can see this all the volume and partition here. So I want to add this unallocated space into the local disk C. So and I want to increase the local disk C size. So I have shown you before. That we can't increase the local disk C size even though we have the unallocated space. So let me go to disk management and let me choose to extend the volume, but the button is gray out. So you can see this unallocated space here. So this MiniTool Partition Wizard helps you to increase your local disk C size. So to increase your local disk C size, you just need to choose this partition and choose to extend, and you'll find these two options here to increase your partition C with the partition D, or choose the unallocated space which you have created initially. So I'm going to choose this unallocated space because I want to add this unallocated space into the local disk C. And you need to choose this cursor to the full and choose the 97 gigs which we have created just before, and you need to make sure that apply applications which are running and which holds the data need to be closed, otherwise your data will be lost. So just make sure with that and click on OK. So now after this, you can see this here local XC is increased to 379 gigs by adding the unallocated 97 gigs of space. Now to apply the changes whatever we have made, you just need to choose the option to apply. So again, I want to say that make sure every applications which are running need to be closed, which holds or which are sharing the data with your computer, otherwise the data transfer or whatever the work you are doing will be lost. So just choose and apply. So after this process is completed, let me show you the Explorer here, and you can see this here the size of the local XC is increased, and that 97 gigs of unallocated space is added successfully. So in this way you can increase the local XC size even though the button is grayed out in your partition management of your system. So, and after the process is done, make sure that you are restarting your system because it helps to apply the changes and prevent some error which can occur. So at first restart the system. So you can use this MiniTool Partition Wizard in any system, whether it is Windows 11, Windows 10 or Windows 7. Thanks for watching. In this way you can increase your partition C without any error. So see you guys in the next video. If you like this video, then give the thumbs up. See you guys on the next video. Until then, signing out.